Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many users want to delete multiple comments at once on Instagram. Deleting comments one by one takes too much time. Instagram now allows you to manage multiple comments together with its new feature. This option is available directly inside the app. First, open the Instagram app. Go to the post where you want to manage comments. Now open the comments section of that post. Tap on the three dots at the top right of the comments section. Next, tap on Select Multiple Comments. Now select all the comments you want to manage. After selecting, tap on Delete to remove them. You can also choose Hide or Block from the same options. This helps you clean spam comments quickly. You do not need any third-party app for this. That is how you delete multiple comments at once on Instagram. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Instagram fixes and tutorials.